cut up the cabbage. And let's give it a few chops at the end. There's a lot of water in the cabbage. We need to use some salt to take out the excess water in the cabbage. Mix it a little. And let's set it aside. Let's cut up some green onion. Let's give it a few more chops. Nope, I was looking for you. We don't need you. Okay, into the bowl. Shiitake mushrooms. These were dried. I soaked them in cold water. Soaked them for about 20 minutes. Some grated ginger. This is a half a pound of ground pork, 8 medium-sized shrimp, deveined and cleaned. Let's chop it up into small pieces. Add it to the bowl. Squeeze out the water of the cabbage. See the water? That much water. Now let's season the filling. Some salt. White pepper, about 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Boy. It's spicy. Mix it well. Okay, it's all mixed. Let's put it aside. You can buy this Potstickers wrapper in Chinese grocery store or Asian grocery stores. There are many ways to wrap a Potstickers. This is my way, and this is how I like to wrap them, and I would like to share with you. Practice a few more times, you will get a hang of it. You will wrap beautiful pot stickers. If you don't cook all the pot stickers that you made, line them up in a tray, dust some flour in the tray, line them up and put in the freezer. Tomorrow, take them out, put them in the Ziploc bag. You can store them that way in the freezer for later use. My next video, I would show you how to cook frozen pot stickers.